Afternoon, people. Neil Oakley on the bridge. Just seen all the chems appearing. Sun's over there somewhere in that area. All that is getting pumped out from over there. Disgrace. I just couldn't get over all the chems on the sky, to be honest with you. Been cloudy most of the day. Spoke to Paulie. Had a bit of a gap. Not good that though, is it? Right, that's what I'm up against. Big massive bank. Same as the other day, Friday. But it's all the chems. Interesting, mate. It's all around. Moon's over there. Well, you'd be lucky to see the moon because it's that heavily chemmed, speckled chems, you know what I mean? Might just be able to see it in that gap of cloud there, well, in the gap of chems, but absolutely smashed. Another one there going across. That's a normal plane, isn't it? You know what I mean? No, it's not. That isn't disappearing. So sun is set, 5 to 4. You can see how quick that's dropping, that one there, that's just been dropped there. The plane's going through there. How quick that's spread out. All this mess is lighting up. Who knows what we're going to get here? Probably be redder than the night before. This is on 0.5, cloudy. Also, on Friday when I was filming my last video I done, it was on fire. An hour later, 5 o'clock, I was in the house. Cambs in the garden, and I couldn't believe it. Like, it was still the same. It was unbelievable how red it was, you know what I mean? Bit like what this is getting now, you know what I mean? Back out. You probably look at this video and you're probably sickened, like, cause like cough cough, how they can spew out all this toxic waste into our atmosphere, you know what I mean? Because that ain't steam, is it? I'd spoil the view. Another one up there. This is 10 minutes after sun has set. That's interesting there. It'd be interesting to see what the moon looks like tonight going through all these Cambs, I tell you what. Must be Kemrick because it's going to be so bright. I'll probably be up here tomorrow. See if Dave Dobbs' predictions bang on. 198 days, December the 4th. Okay people, it's now 25 minutes after the sunset. Phone can't take it. So, we'll leave it at that. Got that there. And that's the story. Moon will be up in 6 minutes time. Be lucky if you see that through the Cambs. Take it easy, share, like, subscribe, all that stuff. All the iron oxide starting to come in now into these clouds. I don't know what that is. Take it easy, speak soon, bye.